I'm at the point in my life where I don't want to do anything.
Hey girl, sit with me for a minute because I'm going to help you with this. This is a very normal phase that I like to refer to as restful healing. As a counselor in the field for 18 years and having been exactly where you are, I'm going to help you understand it. Life probably wasn't easy for you, and you probably lived a very chaotic life. And because of that, you developed parts of your personality that helped you to survive. You were probably very driven at one point, highly successful, on the go, and a goal-getter. But now you're finding that you don't want to do the things you once loved. You don't want to communicate with people, you don't want to follow up, you don't want to cook, you don't want to clean, you don't want to put makeup on because having to take it off at the end of the night is just too much. Cleaning your house or even taking care of responsibilities just seem too overwhelming and you just don't have the mental energy for it. So you start to think that something's terribly wrong with you, that you're depressed, and that you're never going to get out of this dark place. But this dark place is actually a place of restful healing. And this is where your body starts to recognize that it's safe. It no longer has to have the trauma drive to get you from point A to point B to point C. It now recognizes that everything it once did was to survive, was to make sure that you were safe and that your environment was stable. You've probably done such a good job healing up until this point that you've communicated to your brain that it's okay to rest because you got it.